In the heart of the wild, where the sun kisses the earth and rivers carve their path through green jungles, there walks a creature like no other, the elephant. Majestic, powerful, and yet deeply emotional. Elephants aren't just animals. They are legends of the land. Their hearts remember love, friendship, and even pain. When one of their own falls, the whole herd stands still, in silence. They touch the bones with their trunks as if saying, "You will never be forgotten." These giants can travel miles just to find water for their family. They protect their babies like warriors. And when danger comes, they form a circle around their young, their tusks shining like shields of nature itself. But there's another side to this story. Once upon a time, millions of elephants roamed free across Africa and Asia. Now, only a fraction remain. Their tusks, symbols of beauty, became the reason for their suffering. Humans hunted them, not realizing they were killing the soul of the forest. Yet, even after all the pain, elephants still show kindness. They remember the faces of those who helped them, and forgive those who once harmed them. What kind of heart can hold such forgiveness? Only in elephants. Scientists say elephants can cry, not like us, but from deep emotion. When they lose someone they love, their eyes well up, and they stand in silence under the stars, mourning, like us. The elephant teaches us something powerful. That strength doesn't come from muscles. It comes from compassion. That greatness isn't about ruling the jungle. It's about protecting it. So next time you see an elephant, don't just see an animal. See a story of love, loyalty, and life itself. Because the world needs more hearts like theirs. Big, gentle, and unforgettable.